fix Wizz app not working. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to fix if your Wizz app is not working. So first of all, just simply open the app and see what is the problem over here. And if you see that it is not working, all you have to do is just go to the mobile settings, and over here just simply scroll down and locate the apps section in the settings and go to the app management over here. And now just scroll down and simply search for Wizz in the available apps and simply click on it. And now you have different options over here. So now you just simply click on storage uses over here and click on clear data and clear cache. And now just clear all the cache and data related to your Wizz app. And after that, when you will start using the app, your problem will be fixed and your Wizz app will work quite fine. And if you still see that the problem persists, just simply open your Play Store or your Google Store, and after that just simply see if there is any update pending regarding your Wizz app or not. And if there is any update, just simply go ahead and reinstall or update the application to the latest version, and that will definitely fix your Wizz app problem. So this is basically how you will be able to fix Wizz app not working. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.